Alright everybody, beginning of wheat harvest. Anyway, it is Tuesday, July 12th. Tuesday, July 12th. We finally started wheat harvest here. We've started wheat harvest finally. They took a moisture sample, and our tester said 18%, which is high for wheat. But it could have just been because he's on the headlands here, and it might be a little bit wetter on the headlands. We only got one combine going right now because we're waiting to see the moisture before we get two going out here. Yeah, beginning of wheat harvest. It's a little wet, but we have the dryer. We've used the dryer every year for the most part to dry wheat. It's not uncommon. We usually always have to use the dryer for some of it to dry it. So as long as it's probably like 15-16%, we're gonna go here. It'll probably be lower in the middle of the field, and then there's some down spots that'll be wetter, but they're not big. But for now, we're gonna head back. They're working on the bin site here, getting the pit cleaned out because it's always got rotten stuff and all that in there that we need to clean up. And then we'll have to clean out the dryer sometime because if we keep going, we're gonna need that. Looks like he's full. First load, first hopper full of wheat for 2022. Second combine going. So two combines going, 15% wheat. So I'm gonna keep going, setting up that combine. The other combine should be set, so they're just gonna be rolling now when he gets that one set. We're cleaning up the dryer, and when that's done, we can start going full throttle here. We got a field right next to the farm here. Got that 75 acres over there. I don't trust him though. It's definitely not 75. Around 75 acres over there, and then we got another field back there, way back there behind those trees of wheat. It's bigger. 90 acres according to him. I wouldn't trust his numbers too much though. So we're gonna do those two fields first, and then we'll small square bale those most likely. Sure can get a good look at the corn from up here. We're gonna get a sample here. pretty tall wheat right there. That's all we want to see though. And it actually is pretty good yielding. 1 round gets you full. Actually, I think probably 1.5 gets you full. Or not 1.5. 3/4 of a round gets you full. Alright. Hope you enjoyed that drone footage. Probably never going to be any as good as that until this fall, because we're here at home and I got as much time as I want out here to drone around with. But surprisingly, with this wheat being 18%, 17-18% moisture, some spots 16-15, it's shelling out nice with our Claas combines, obviously, but it's shelling out really good actually for being that wet. They're gonna keep rolling out here, and we should be able to bale this straw tomorrow. Should be dry enough tomorrow to bale it, so that'll be nice. But anyway, they're gonna keep rolling out here, I should say. They're not gonna be, I doubt they'll be finished with this tonight. I mean, it's already like 4:30. And they're not even half done yet, so it takes a while to combine wheat. You gotta go pretty slow with those auger heads and their small heads, 30-foot heads. So it takes a little while to combine wheat. So they won't finish this tonight. They'll probably finish it tomorrow morning. Also, you can't go very late with wheat because dew sets in, it gets it wet, and then it's tough to combine. So probably go till like, I don't think they're gonna go till late tonight, but usually you can go till like 7 o'clock, 7:30, before it gets too tough to combine. I don't think they're gonna go that late tonight though, so they're not gonna finish this tonight. But it was a good first day, so more videos to come here of wheat harvest. It's pretty easy to make videos when you're on summer break, so there will probably be, I want to make at least 3 wheat harvest videos. I'm going to try to make more, because I want to make more wheat harvest videos than that. But that's all the footage I'm going to get of the combines. I'm going to head back up, probably just be by the bins watching watching trucks dump. And then I'll help with chores, and that'll be it for the day for me. So this is going to be the end of this video. The end of the first day of wheat harvest video. Yeah. Start of wheat harvest 2022.
Oh, getting better every time, dude. 17 last time.